today we're going to be taking down a dead tree. That's the one that Jonathan's got his hand on. It's quite tall. We don't think anything lives in it. So you can see him looking up at it. So it should come down easily enough and straight into the paddock with no damage, she says. I am at a safe distance and I know when to move. Checking out what's happening at the top. If it starts to wobble too much and lean, I need to yell at him. So that's the notch out. Not sure if you can see it there. I'll zoom in. Oh, there it is. So the notch is out. So now we come from the other side and almost hit anything on the way down. Quite nicely. Australian wheat is really hard. He's just checking, looking at me to see if everything's okay, but I'm giving him the okay symbol. Oh, it's going to wobble. It's wobbling, push it. So slight hitch. The line wasn't exactly straight, but that's okay. We can put this as the block in. She's thinking about it. Not quite. Come on, girl, go. Bit more.
Right, will you stop it?
It can't be that tiny branch holding it up there. Like it's leaning on this teeny weeny branch, but that's not what's holding it up. Oh, the joys. I'm trying to zoom in again. There's no way that's holding it up. Oh. Here we go, here we go. Woohoo! Successful mission. And not one of the goats jumped.
Yes, they did.
Oh, did they?
Toby still eats it. Cream, Frida, Jill.
Yep, not really that bothered. So good job, JT. Thumbs up.
And it just...
So it was this little bit where he didn't quite get the cut straight that was keeping that tree up. Unreal. And it's actually quite solid for a dead tree. So let's walk the length of
you
it.
can see it's well dried.
Yeah, it'll be good firewood.
Love these wedges.
Yeah. I was going to say stand there so that we can show the distance, because I don't know how long this tree is. And there we go, that's what she's like at this end. And there he is.
I love these wedges because you can direct it without
We're
cutting.
cutting, yeah. So there we go, that's a nice bit of firewood we've got there. Excellent. Job well done. So we've done 1 tank of fuel on the chainsaw. Hello, Jonathan.
Well, it is a big chainsaw.
It is a big chainsaw.
And it's taken a bit of a
And
bashing.
this is what we've got, and it's absolutely smashing because it's already seasoned, it's dry, so it's just the splitting of it now. But one thing I noticed as we're standing here admiring our lovely collection of wood, I'll have to zoom in because her ladyship has sat in here the whole way through this, just chewing the cud and enjoying the view.
In safety. In
safety, obviously. She obviously feels very safe in there. So that's our Jill, who is mad. But anyway, she's quite happy.
She likes to think she is.
Well, yeah, she does like to think she is. She's not one of those goats that's very sociable and does what she's told. But yeah, it just cracked me up that she's just sitting there watching the proceedings, chewing the cud. Couldn't care less. But yeah, what a great job. Oh, let's zoom out and then we can see everything again. So yeah, good job for a Sunday morning. Now we'll go in, put the feed up and have a cuppa. Clyde's come over, it's a bit cooler. It was lovely earlier. But anywho, there we go. How to pass a Sunday morning. I think I've invented a new game. Not bad, but not wonderful.